Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, we haven't done this in a while. We're back outside on the world's smallest patio on the Pit Boss 5-burner flat top griddle with a sandwich idea that Babe designed.
Yeah.
Okay, Babe, take it away.
Well, we were looking for something to do today, and we had leftover ribs that Josh made the other night.
So I made 3 racks of St. Louis ribs outside, again on the world's smallest patio, on the Oklahoma Joe Highland offset smoker. Smoked them, wrapped them, barbecue sauce, TD's Brew and barbecue, did all that. So now we have leftover ribs.
Correct.
Take it away again, Babe.
So
You de-ribbed them.
I de-meated.
De-meated.
No, I took all the meat off of the ribs, and I decided we're going to make a sandwich.
Okay, what's in the sandwich, Babe?
Okay, so I'm going to heat the ribs up on the griddle. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on it. I'm going to caramelize some onions, a little cream cheese, a little roll, and it's going to be delicious.
A roll, cream cheese, barbecue sauce, ribs, caramelized onions.
Sounds pretty rich.
Okay, Babe.
And people that question barbecue sauce and cream cheese, don't knock it till you try it, because it is delicious.
Delicious! Okay, Babe.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's
All
do
right,
it.
and here we
Okay.
go.
So to get started first, we're going to caramelize our onions. So you're going to need a fair amount of butter. We'll start with about, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay. And then I have my onions sliced up real fine. So we're just going to dump those into the big old pile of butter.
That's a lot of onions for one sandwich, Babe.
Well, I mean, I'd like to throw some mushrooms in there.
Whoa, dog. No shrooms.
Oh my gosh, and then just eat that by itself. It's so good. Alright, so next up, let's heat up our rib meat. We're going to dump this down. And I didn't cut it up real good, so it doesn't need to be in little chunks or anything. Alright, so while my onions are caramelizing and my meat is heating up, we're just going to let this sit for a few, and then at the end we're going to pour some barbecue sauce on. If you pour it on first, it will candy on the grill, and then it'll just make a big sticky mess. These onions smell delicious. Throw my little buns down here.
Your super cheap hot dog buns?
No, they're super expensive brioche buns.
No, they're not. They're 99 cents a bag, white bread, cheap hot dog buns.
All right, listen. I've been trying to use the food in our pantry. I'm trying to be good here. So that's what we had. Instead of going and buying a whole thing, this would probably be better on a brioche bun, or maybe even sourdough. But it's still going to be delicious. Bread is bread, right? So I'm going to pour a little barbecue sauce in here. Mix that up. We'll put a little more on our bun, too. This is the TD's original. Very good. Okay, are you ready for this magical little sandwich? Have you ever had one of these before, Babe?
No, I've never even heard of this.
Well, it's a new thing.
It's a Babe thing?
Yeah, it's a Babe thing. I just made it up. All right, so we're going to put a little cream cheese on each side. And it's easy. And it's something to do with your leftover rib meat. Right? Okay, we're just going to drizzle a little bit of barbecue sauce. Not too much, because it's already going to be a messy sandwich. First, let's lay our onions down. Oh yeah, babe. What do you think? And then some meat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh babe, this is gonna be so good. I'm so excited.
you ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
All
The
right.
sun's coming. It's going to be so harsh
I know,
lighting.
sorry. But while we eat this, we're going to roll our top tier channel members.
Yeah, thank you guys so much.
Thank you for all of the people who give us money every month.
That give us money
Make
every
these
month.
videos.
That hit the join button.
All right. Thank you to all of those who help us out because it really
Yeah.
does. It pays for the food. It pays for the time, the editing, all of that. So we appreciate you. Are you ready to try this
I mean...
little
okay,
masterpiece?
Here we go. Here we go. Grilled onions, rib meat, TD's barbecue sauce, cream cheese, and the world's cheapest hot dog bun.
It should be a thing.
Oh, pretty good.
Do you like the creaminess?
I was a
of
little
cream cheese?
concerned about the cream cheese, but
Uh-huh.
it's actually really good with the meat and the onions.
Because it adds like creamy.
It's creamy with the grilled onions. Okay, babe. You did good on that.
I know.
That was good.
I know. It was delicious.
And you got to fire up your griddle.
It's been so long.
I know. They missed you.
I missed him. Her. Them, they. Okay.
All right, guys.
All right.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for letting me be in a video finally.
You're welcome. And now we go scarf. All right. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye-bye.